Hey everybody, Thanksgiving coming right up. Hopefully you have planned out and are brining your turkey for this Thanksgiving. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out my video on the perfect roasted turkey. I'll link to it in the description. But today we're talking about carving that perfectly roasted turkey or perfectly fried turkey or smoked turkey, any kind of turkey. We're going to show you how to cut it up, prepare it, and serve it in just an amazing way. So when it goes on that table, everybody oohs and ahs, and you are a hero. Here is our turkey that we're going to work with, and before you go into it, think of it in kind of three different quadrants. So we have the breast meat here, the leg and thigh, I work on those together, and then the wings are very last. We leave the wings on and do those last because they help stabilize the bird. So we're going to start with the legs and thighs. First thing we do is separate thigh, and you can pull it open as you're cutting. You can feel the joint right here, and just cut through that to take off the whole piece, and then we'll do the other one. And again, we have another joint right in here that we want to cut through. So you cut right through the middle and pull open, and then it'll just cut open like that. For the thigh, we flip it over, and there's a bone that goes all the way through here. Just cut right on top of that bone. And you can get the other side of it and cut that bone out. So this is your full thigh, and all the grains run this way, so you want to cut against the grain. You keep it intact as much as you can right on the platter. So that's your first thigh. For the leg, we just stand it up and we'll cut like so. Now we turn our attention to the breast meat on each side. This bone right here, this is called the keel bone, which is just the breastbone goes right through the middle. And so you find your middle here and go over just a smidge, and you can see the shape of the breast. It comes to a point here and is a little bit wider here. So we're going to cut it kind of at a triangle. We come to the side here and start cutting down. You want the tip of the knife, of course, to work its way all the way down there. But the base of this, you want to come this way also, to the point where it starts to separate here. Then we come sideways with our knife, and the whole thing comes off in one piece. If you flip this over and look at the grain, you can see that the grain kind of runs this way, and so we flip it over here, and you want to go against that grain. and again, right down through the joint here. Cut, pull. Comes clean. And then underneath here, there's still some pockets of meat that you want to get. So right there, good amount of dark meat. So there you have it. This is a 10-pound turkey, so it's a small guy, and we got a lot of meat off of that. We have the sliced breast and thighs, as well as all of the hand-pulled turkey. It's just all flavorful, moist. Hopefully this was useful. I'll also link to several of my other Thanksgiving recipes. This is just one of my favorite holidays. I just love getting everybody together and cooking for them and just having a good time together. I hope that describes your holiday this year. Happy Thanksgiving.